Hello everyone, thank you once again for tuning into our YouTube channel. Save Green here. And previously we showed you a little bit about these mattresses and how you can get them. These are Elux mattresses, and just like you can see there, and I told you how you can get them for hundreds less. Still you can get them delivered by Elux and pay hundreds less. Now what we got is these adjustable bases. They're made by a company called Puffy, and what I like about these, and I'll go over them little by little, is that these are adjustable bases. That's why there's a little bracket here, so when you incline it, the mattress stays in place. But they also have, let me see if I can get a better shot down here, USB connections. This mattress is on the floor, which is going to go next to the other base. So I got a split king, put them both together, and you have individual adjustable bases. Now these also allow you to turn on massage option, and believe it or not, below these they're also really tiny USB or LEDs, LED lights that will illuminate the underside or the bottom of the base. So I already put this one together. I'm going to quickly do a video of the other one being put together so you guys can see it. We're going to do that now. Okay, so here I have the second one, and before I start opening it up, I'm going to show you guys that it comes in the plastic just like if you were to get it straight from the factory from Puffy. And I will tell you how to get this for about $1,000, or half price of you would pay from Puffy, and it'll still come from Puffy, but you'll get it $1,000 less. So I'm gonna start opening it up just so you all can see how it's all set up. This one has the USB, but it's on the other side, so let's get to it. You want to make sure you use scissors if possible instead of a blade so you don't damage the fabric. So you come around this way here. Just cut down the same way. Once we got that plastic out of the way, you can pretty much open this. It's like a taco, like a clamshell. And when you open it up, you have that box and that box revealed to you. You have this metal plate, which is the plate that goes on the bottom to support the mattress from sliding out. So we're going to go ahead and open that box. And the other box too, the one over there. Okay, once we have it opened out, and once you have your boxes removed, these are the two boxes you're going to see there, and of course your metal, I guess it's a stopper to stop your mattress from sliding out. Very important. Want to make sure that's in there. Then you're going to have these legs, and you do want to notice that these legs have different sizes. So this is the tallest it will be right there, and that's pretty much the way they come. But you can remove these sections and make your legs as tall or as short as you wish. So let me show you one that we already have. And if you notice, it does bring a little rubber stopper so you don't scratch the floor. And it does have something at the top too that we'll show you here. But you can see the adjustable base manual, the adapter that you connect, and this is what plugs into the wall and lets the unit work as far as massaging, as far as the motor tilting up and down, and also the LED lights. So these are the things that go on the bottom of the legs. So we'll show you. Put it like this and just put it on top of it. And that's something that can easily be forgotten but you want to make sure you put it in there. So we're going to go ahead and put these on, and there's 6 legs total, so 2 on each end, and then in the center, you can see it right there, you'll have another set of legs over there and over there. So we're going to go ahead and put those together now. Okay guys, so once you have these all ready to go, and by the way, I did want to mention that there are absolutely no tools required to put these together. So you don't need a single tool the way it comes out of the box. You can just put it together, 1 person, 2 people preferred, because they are a little bit heavy, but they're easy to put together. As you notice, what I did is I laid the bed on the side. That way it's easy to put the legs, and then what you do is you open it up with 2 people, and 1 person stands on this end, 1 on this end, flip it over and just throw the mattress on top of it. It's pretty easy. So just wanted to bring that out to your attention, that absolutely positively no tools required to put this bed together. It comes just like you see it, except for putting the legs and that frame to hold the mattress. So we're going to go ahead and finish putting the legs, and we'll be ready to go. Okay, as you can see now, I have the bed where you can see the bottom of it, and it's not open straight up. I don't want it to fall on top of me. So I'm going to show you quickly a few of the things here. You have your hydraulic here that raises, and then for your legs too. And I guess this is like the brains of the whole thing. But you can look closely here. These are little LEDs that allow you to have illumination at night. So if you need to get up in the middle of the night and you don't have a night light, you can turn those on without having to turn on a bright light in the room. So that's a nice little feature that it brings. But the adapter that I mentioned before, obviously one side connects into the wall, regular 110 volt, and then the other side has this little latch, because you can easily disconnect it if you pull on it hard enough, so it'll secure it in there once you lock it in. And then there's a cable that came with it, which is this one. This is only for a split king configuration, and what it does is basically, this looks like the old telephone wire. What basically happens with this is you connect it. See where it says second bay? So you can have this connected between this motor and the one on the other side, and when you hit the remote, both will go up. So if you don't have 2 twin XL mattresses and you have 1 complete king mattress, you want to go ahead and have this. Remember, this is only if you have a king mattress, because this will allow you to hit the remote and both beds will do the same thing. So if you hit legs, this module and the one next to it would also raise the legs or lower the legs. Same thing goes for this side. If you have twin XL mattresses, then you can operate each side of the bed individually and you don't need this. But keep it around, maybe get some zip ties and tie it here just in case you might need it in the future. Who knows, if you decide to sell it or if you decide to get a complete king mattress, then you want to have this around. You want to make sure you don't lose this. So we've already done that, and like I mentioned, I will show you how you can get this for $1,000 straight from Puffy without paying over $2,000 for this, just because of maybe little imperfections. Sometimes you can't even tell where they are. I seriously have been looking for it. It might be something like this. I don't know. I really don't know. I've looked everywhere and I can't find many imperfections. Maybe that, I don't know. Maybe that might be one of them. Like I said, they're so minor people don't even notice it, but I will post a link in the description and you're going to get it straight from Puffy without paying the over $2,000 that you would pay for this. So I will post that in the description. Let me go ahead and flip this over and show you what it looks like with the mattress on top. Okay, so this is what it looks like after we've already put everything together, including you can buy your furniture piece however you want to do it, and it should wrap around the base, so you can't even tell that you have an adjustable base set up here, and you can't even tell that you have two twin XL mattresses once you put on your bedspread or your sheets. But as you can tell right there, that's where it kind of splits in the middle, and you can tell there. So just wanted to bring that out. There is a really nice remote. I don't know, we might do a video on it in the future, but just wanted to show you how it looks. Oh, by the way, there's a remote for each side. Just wanted to show you that it doesn't look any different than a regular bed once you buy your I guess your furniture, and you can see how it kind of wraps around it. So I might be posting a video very soon on the remote and the functions of it, but in the meantime I wanted to show you the final result.